雪山です。上来たら眩しい。何も見えん。
座るし？
あ、僕行っちゃった。景色良すぎる。
南ドイツにいます。
なんけうわー、えぐい。地平線が見えるのすごい。タララララタタタララタタ。悠々自適すぎる絵面が。
You like that?
Yeah, I like that. Morning, everyone. Today, I'll try a challenging stuff. Danny has a work, and my friend is kind of like went to our castle, like famous castle, but like I have already been to the place already 2 times, so I don't have to go to the same castle 3 times in a week. So today I decided to go to the other city with a bicycle. It's gonna take 1 hour, but like I'm a bit scared because I don't know the city at all. That I need to manage everything. Like I don't know. I'm afraid of like getting lost, but hopefully I will get to the city that will go to restaurant and it have lunch and fika things. So that will be really good. So let's get started. We have Doc here. Hi. Hello. Goodbye. Might be I need to wear the helmet, I guess, but my head is too big, so might be Daniel's head is way more smaller than me. My head is too big. Oh my gosh. It's raining. My purpose is getting to the city, but like this is really nice. Like on the way there rather beautiful nature like this. I just drove by this kind of like place and I enjoy nature. I can see a lot of birds. I can see a lot of people like walking with the dog. Amazing. This is really nice. Finally, I arrived at this station. I arrived at the city by bicycle. This is a really nice city. It's kind of like a southeast German city, so it's kind of like Okinawa in Japan. The city is surrounded by a snow mountain. Then there are a lot of tourists too. So now I get the fika. I'll get the snack and the coffee at the cafe. And if I can find a restaurant, I can also try the German food at the restaurant. So let's go. Do you have any recommendation? I cannot read
I can,
German.
you can try with skin code.
Oh, okay.
You have iPhone, yeah?
Yes, yes. I just ate lunch at the restaurant. That was really nice taste. Actually, it was too expensive for me. 22 euro for one. The woman recommended me to order this because that's really like famous and popular. And I was having a chill time at the park. From now, I will take a train to immenstadt to the Daniel's house. In Germany, it's really common to put the bicycle on the train. So I can put my bicycle on the train, then I can go back to the city by train. So that's really good. See you soon. Bye bye. Yes, so I climbed the hill. I can see the ski jumping place. So might be this is kind of like famous for ski jumping. If I have time and if I had a ski jumping equipment, I wanted to try it, but today I don't have so much time and then equipment, so I can try it. But this is really nice scenery from the top. Amazing. I just came back home from the city, so it took just only 30 minutes by train. I took 2 hours by bicycle. That was shorter than bicycle, of course. Then it was much more easier. Then I came back home. I put my bicycle on the train. I paid 4 euro for bicycle, but actually on the train, a woman said to me like, if I buy the ticket automatical, kind of like a ticket machine, it just cost 1 euro. I paid 4 euro, so I need to save more money. I need to be more smart. So from now, maybe Daniel will come back home, then we'll cook something together. We'll eat dinner. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go to his parents' place. Then we're gonna go around the city. So see you soon. Bye bye. What is 55? Oh my gosh.
Like, what is this car doing over there?
Yeah. Yeah, we can. Yes. Hi, can I get the Chateaubriand? Yeah. Danke.
Which one?
Yes.
Konnichiwa. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
How was IKEA food?
IKEA food was really nice, and it's like in Sweden.
What was the special food in Germany in IKEA?
What?
Like what was special?
The Apfelstrudel.
Apfelstrudel.
Yeah, kind of like an apple cake with vanilla sauce. I don't think they have it in Sweden. But yeah, like today we were at IKEA, so tomorrow we have to go to Sweden, I guess.
What? Sweden.
It's the way. Whenever you go to IKEA, next day you have to go to Sweden. Because you're reminded of all this. So, let's go tomorrow to Sweden now.
Yeah. Yes.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.